So this is a video that is updating an older video, and it is about how to upload a carousel pin to Pinterest in 2025. So that previous video, I kind of got a little bit of hate on that video. People thought that I was trying to mislead them because when I recorded the video, you actually couldn't upload a carousel pin to Pinterest. And so people were commenting saying, "Hey lady, you actually can upload a carousel pin to Pinterest." And I was like, I know, just give me time to create a video. So as we all know, social media changes all the time.
So we weren't prepared.
So I'm going to do a screen share for you in just a minute. But before we get into that, hi, I am Kate All. I am the owner and founder of Simple Pin Media. We are a Pinterest marketing agency. Our goal is to help you get really good at Pinterest marketing so it can drive traffic for you so you can grow your email list or make more sales. I have these videos for you so that you can get some bite-sized tips along the way to either pique your curiosity about Pinterest or help you level up. Carousel pins, what are they? So carousel pins have kind of been floating in the background of Pinterest for a while, but honestly, we don't use them. So let me give you a little bit more context. There is a standard pin on Pinterest, and then there are video pins on Pinterest. In between, there's this thing called carousel pins. Carousel pins are where you upload multiple images to one pin in order to take, let's say, 5 different cards and make it into one pin. What you'll notice as you're scrolling through your Pinterest feed is actually people don't use these very often. In fact, I hardly ever see them in my feed. I will see them sometimes as a Pinterest ad, but as a standalone organic pin, it's just not there. One of the things that we tell people is you want to go with the pin format that is getting the most views on Pinterest. And for most people, this is a standard image format. It's just one image. That's it. Then we go with video. And then way down the line is this whole thing about carousel pins. So all that to say, if you're watching this and you're thinking, Kate, should I use carousel pins? Is that what I'm doing now? Don't worry about it. It's really not something you need to add to your repertoire of pin creation. It's just that we were getting so many questions on it. People were like, really thinking I was trying to deceive them by telling them they couldn't create carousel pins. Because like I said, you weren't able to before, but you can now. Hey there, sorry for the interruption, but this is something that I don't always talk about in every video, so I want to make sure you know. We have a Pinterest keyword planning guide that covers over 10 plus categories and niches. It has so much information there that will not only inspire you to use new Pinterest keywords, but also might help you inspire creating content. So what's inside? We have tons and tons of pages of keyword ideas, how to use and not use keywords, some seasonal and non-seasonal keyword ideas, plus a place to brainstorm and take notes. And it's yours totally free. Click on the link below in the description to get the free keyword guide and begin getting started on really creating a great SEO plan for Pinterest. Okay. Back to the video. So let's dive into doing a screen share for you, and I'll walk you through how to do it. Just keep in mind that you might not have to do it. Here is how you upload a carousel pin to Pinterest. So first you have to create your pins. Here I have 3 separate cards that have my pins. I haven't really written anything strategic on this, so don't use this as an example of what to put on your pins. But I have 3 different images. You can easily have these, say, 9 steps to set up your Pinterest settings the right way. And then you could put 9 cards. You could also do 4 steps. You could do this linking to the 32 passive income ideas, and then you could link to 3. And then the final slide, you could say, visit the site for the rest of the tips. There's a lot of creative ways you can leverage carousel pins to have them lead towards the click. But again, what I said in the beginning was we don't really get a ton of engagement on these. You don't see them a lot in the feed. So just note that spending a lot of time on this probably isn't worthwhile, but I want you to know how to do it anyway. If Pinterest decides to change it and all of a sudden carousel pins are front and center. So we're over here in our profile on desktop. and we click this plus button and we hit pin. And over here, I would download these. I'm going to download all three. And once all three are downloaded, I will have this here in a separate pin. I pull this up here and I'm going to pull each one of them over. And I'm just going to add them here. So I'm going to hit create carousel and I'm going to upload another image. And here we have, you can't see that on my screen, but it's definitely there. So it looks like I have this one here, this one here, this one here, and it looks like I have a duplicate. Okay. So I can click on this and I could hit delete image. And now I only have 3. If I decided I want to reorder my images, I can simply drag and drop and put them in different order and click done. Once this is done, you can complete your pin title that should be no more than 4 to 5 words. You can complete your Pinterest description. At least 100 characters is what they recommend. You can go up now to 800, which seems like a lot. I wouldn't really recommend going over 500. Add your alt text and then add a destination link. And then you have the ability to decide whether or not you want to use the same text and URL for each image. I would recommend you do that here. I would not recommend you do it differently. I would have each URL and each text be the same. And then when you publish the pin, what will happen is there'll be 3 dots here. In fact, I'm going to pick a board here and I'm going to publish so you can see an example of how it looks. But you simply hit publish and then you can see your pin here in just a minute. I'm going to hit see it now. And now I can see my pin here and you can see these little dots show up and then this little arrow here. And I can scroll through. That is how you upload a carousel pin to Pinterest. Okay, that's it. That is how you create a carousel pin on Pinterest. So again, you can do it, but it might not be worth your time and effort if you're not already investing in other pin formats on Pinterest. So go ahead and watch this video about video pins, and then you can also watch a video about image pins. I have tons of things on my channel here. In fact, I have this Pinterest images for dummies. Let's start with that because I think that's going to be more advantageous for you. So I'd love to know, have you used carousel pins and have you seen any results off of them? Because frankly, we haven't seen really any movement on carousel pins pretty much for years. So I'm just curious, you out there, have you tried them? And do you know how they work for your business? Alrighty, that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe.